Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Leo and I will make learning Korean as easy as possible for you guys. So stick around, subscribe to this channel and let's go back to the desk. Welcome to Hangul Part 3. Today's consonant is Tigit, but before we go on, we will do a quick revision of Part 2. So in Part 2, we had Nian. That's how it looks like. Nian. The stroke order is like this, from up to down and then left to right. One more time, Nian. Words, for example, is na, it means me, or na bi, it's butterfly. Yes, today's consonant looks very similar to this one. It is, when we look at Nian, we only need to add this one. So the stroke order is this one. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So it is Nian with one more stroke, but the new stroke comes first. New stroke, then Nian. And I wrote this wrong. Here you write it like this. Yes, I did the stroke order wrong. So T. Good. That's how you pronounce it. T. Good. Okay, let's practice the pronunciation of Tigit. Forget about romanization. Romanization says it's between D and T, but what is it? So just repeat after me, okay? Say daddy, daddy. And now see, notice where the tongue is. In my case, it is right behind the teeth. Daddy, daddy. Okay? Now repeat after me. Teddy, teddy. Where's the tongue? In my case, it is more behind. It's not touching the teeth anymore. Teddy, teddy. Now remember the tongue position of T from teddy. And now say daddy again. Teddy, teddy. Now you have Tigit. Practice it sometimes because repetition is the key. And someday you will have perfect Tigit. Ta da 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 ta da da ta. Now I will write some Korean names. Let's write it into Korean. And if there's a name you really like, then choose it. Write it into the comments and say, that's my new name. Let's go. So, you notice they all start with ta. So, ta is this one. Tigit, consonant, and now vowel, a. So they all start with ta. Bin, you write it like that. Okay, stroke order, please. Bin, that's ta bin. Taeyong starts again. Same, ta, yong, ta. Oh, that's a bit difficult. Tae, now Taehyun. These are all pretty names. Ta, Hyun, and last one, Ta, In. As I said, if there's a name you really like, choose it. It's yours. Thank you Simbas for watching till the end. It really means the world to me. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to check them out. If you haven't subscribed already, press the subscribe button and see you on TikTok, Instagram and in the next video. Bye!